Yeah.
Whoa. Wait a second, Shortstop. You're way too little for the jungle gym.
No, I'm bigger.
Adriana, make him laugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, big little Bill. Whatever you say. You ready to play?
He was laughing with her a lot.
Well,
Careful,
Mommy. How
No,
are you supposed to know where to go or what to do when you get there? Next come with this.
He throws them all over the place.
I guess they're a little scary to me.
Well, Adriana, make him laugh. You're making him laugh in the room. What were you doing? She wasn't even trying to make him laugh. He was just cracking up.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah.
It was off the end.
And we'll be fine.
Come on, puppy.
This.
Come up here.
2, 1,
Come on.
stop.
Come on. Come on.
Little Bill, come on, you try it.
Come here, puppy. Look. Look, here's your carrot. Look, puppy. Papa, look. Look. Come and get it. He said, why should I climb all the way there? I got plenty of them down here. Oh, he goes.
Hold on, I'll push you.
Okay.
Here we go.
I was doing it yesterday, but he was slipping because those pajamas got slippy shoes. Yay! You made it!
Come on. Okay.
Yeah, he was letting go yesterday. He was letting go, yeah.
Right, here we go. Yeah.
Clap your hands.
And up, pass ball. Next up, Jupiter. Here we go. Next up, Pluto.
So you could do it better now without those slippery shoes. Oh, boing! Boing, my baby, boing! And he goes back up again.
Hey, Bill, wait a sec. What's the matter?
Boing! Booby!
What's the matter?
Tiki 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 tiki.
Daddy pushed me too high on the swing. I didn't want to go Pluto.
Little Bill, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
Don't jump on the sofa. You jump. Don't jump.
Don't trust him. I don't want to play with you anymore.
Oh, man.
Is everything all right over there?
Yes, we're fine.
Careful here.
I see you, Louis.
Well, it's still saying 1-1, but you can sit right there and
I
watch
see
if
you
you
in
want.
the space.
You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Alright.
Alia, I am so proud. You have the pants on.
Yeah. See?
Yes, that's good. I'm proud of you.
My favorite ones to match my dress.
Okay. I'm so proud of you, okay?
Hey, little Bill.
And here comes Little Bill, the best of the best jungle gym champion.
Yeah, puppy.
Look at him go.
Yeah.
Wow. He made it all the way, folks. He's the best of the best. Look how high up he is.
He's already 9 months, right? He's gonna be 9 months.
He's already 9 months.
Oh no.
He's 9.5 already.
Little Bill. Are you okay?
Daddy,
Yeah?
Ahorita cumpleaños.
take it down.
His birthday's on 15th of
I
December,
want
right?
Yep.
it down, Bobby.
Oh,
The
okay.
Sagittarius.
Wait. I'm gonna come up there with you. Hang on.
don't like them again.
I know. But my little brother needs help.
Thanks, Bobby. Uh-oh. I'm scared.
Okay, sometimes when I get scared, I make believe I'm really brave. And you know what happens?
Louis.
I really do get brave.
Louis.
Let's just pretend we are brave.
Now try
We're the best of the best. Okay?
Let her pick her up, mommy.
Best of the best.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Uh-oh.
the amazing Glover and the bravest of the
Give him the
brave.
blocks, girls.
We're the best of the best and the bravest of the brave. Okay, here we go. That's
He'll throw them. He'll throw them.
careful. Almost there. Easy. Ta-da! Everything all right over there? Yeah.
We're going on a swing.
Get off the sofa. I told you not to
We are?
jump on the sofa. This is not a bad Adriana.
I think you're bad, but I don't want to. I can teach you Brianna the letter.
Mom is not the question too high.
Adriana, Alia, do not take the letters out. I told you not to do that.
What letter is this? I didn't take that letter out again.
I asked her not to take it.
Look at me.
Wow, little Bill, you're swinging all by yourself.
Give us the pollino.
Louis, you ready for some food? You ready for some baby food? Huh, papi? Look, papa. Papi lindo. Papi lindo de abuela.
Does Melissa take pictures? Does Melissa's father take pictures too?
I'm sleeping tonight. I'm getting a
You do the...
Face, right? Like my Facebook or
Who?
my face?
Louis? Yes, he does.
Oh, he does? Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. No, no. Titi, Louis do this.
Okay.
Louis do that. Let's just, Louis. Let's just. What?
Be careful with the table. He knows his name. Careful, Adriana. It's not knocking no more. It's Nick doing it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let me look at your pants. Let me get your pants.
A game of not.
Let me fix it.